Hey everyone, welcome back to WA Reviews. Today we're diving into the unboxing and review of the TOZO PE1 portable Bluetooth speaker. Let's see what this compact powerhouse has to offer. Opening the box, we have the TOZO PE1 speaker itself. A USB Type-C charging cable, a user manual, and a warranty card. The TOZO PE1 boasts a sleek, minimalist design. Measuring just 129 by 90 by 44 millimeters, it's smaller than your palm, making it highly portable. The built-in carabiner allows you to clip it onto your backpack or belt effortlessly. Its IPX8 waterproof rating ensures it can withstand full immersion in water up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. Perfect for showers, poolside, or rainy adventures. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.4 technology, the PE1 offers fast connections and low latency. The 10-watt output delivers loud, clear audio suitable for various environments. On a single charge, it provides up to 32 hours of playtime, ensuring your music keeps going all day long. Let's put the TOZO PE1 to the test with some music. Despite its compact size, the PE1 delivers impressive sound quality, with surprisingly deep bass and clear mids and highs. It's perfect for personal use in small gatherings. The PE1's portability and waterproof features make it a versatile companion. Whether you're in the shower, hiking, or relaxing by the pool, this speaker is designed to withstand the elements while delivering quality sound. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: compact and lightweight design, IPX8 waterproof rating, long battery life up to 32 hours, stable Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, built-in carabiner for easy attachment. Cons: lacks advanced features like voice assistant integration, no app support for customizable EQ settings. In conclusion, the TOZO PE1 portable Bluetooth speaker offers exceptional value for its price. Its combination of portability, durability, and sound quality makes it a solid choice for anyone seeking a reliable wireless speaker. If you're interested in purchasing the TOZO PE1, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.